So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix apps not downloading on iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now here, open the app you want to download. For example, ChatGPT. Now once you open the app page, scroll down to the bottom. Now here you will see this size. As you can see here, the size of this app is 89.3 MB. Now to install the app, make sure you have enough storage on your iPhone. For example, this app is of 90 MB. So I need at least 90 MB of free space on my iPhone to install it. To check the free space, go back to the home screen. Now here, open the settings app. Here tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Now here you will see the free space. Now from here, make sure you have sufficient free space. In case there is no free space remaining, then delete the photos on your iPhone to free up the space. In case you have enough space, but you still cannot download the app, then turn on the airplane mode and then turn it off. For this, open the control center. Now here, tap on this airplane icon. Now this will turn on airplane mode on your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds and then tap on this airplane icon again to turn off airplane mode. Now once you do this, try installing the app again and this will fix the issue. In case the issue is still not fixed, then force restart your iPhone. For this, press the volume up button, then press volume down button, and then press and hold the power button. Like this. Keep holding the power button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button. Now this will force restart your iPhone. Once done, unlock it. And now, try installing the app again. So this is how you can fix app not downloading on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.